Have you ever wondered how cold cases, seemingly unsolvable mysteries from decades past, can suddenly find resolution? The answer, increasingly, lies in the fascinating world of genetic genealogy. This is where genetic detectives, using the power of DNA and family trees, are cracking cases that have haunted investigators for years. Imagine a crime scene from the 1970s, a case gone cold, lacking any viable leads. Traditional methods like fingerprints or witness testimonies have failed. Now, forensic scientists can extract DNA from evidence, sometimes even from minuscule samples. This DNA is then analyzed and compared to genetic databases, which contain the DNA profiles of millions of people who have taken ancestry tests. But here's where it gets really interesting. If a match isn't found directly, the genetic detective doesn't give up. Instead, they look for partial matches, distant cousins, or relatives who share some of the same DNA. This is like finding a piece of a puzzle, and knowing it belongs to a larger picture. Then comes the family tree construction. This is where the detective becomes a historian, poring over genealogy websites, census records, obituaries, and any other available public documents. They build family trees, connecting the partial matches to potential suspects. This process can be incredibly time-consuming, requiring patience and a keen eye for detail. Think of it as detective work meets ancestry research. The detective might find a fourth cousin, who shares a significant amount of DNA with the crime scene sample. They then trace the family tree back, following branches and connections, to identify potential suspects within that extended family. This can lead them to a specific person who becomes a person of interest. Once a potential suspect is identified, investigators can then use traditional methods to gather more evidence. They might discreetly collect a DNA sample from the suspect, perhaps from a discarded coffee cup or a piece of hair, and compare it to the crime scene DNA. If there's a match, it's a major breakthrough. Genetic genealogy has solved numerous high-profile cold cases, bringing closure to families who have waited decades for justice. It's a testament to the power of science and the persistence of dedicated investigators. However, it also raises ethical questions about privacy and the use of genetic information. The field is constantly evolving, with new techniques and databases emerging all the time, promising even more advancements in the fight against unsolved crimes. It's a fascinating, complex, and impactful area, showcasing how cutting-edge technology can help solve mysteries of the past. So, the next time you hear about a cold case being solved, remember the genetic detectives, the family trees, and the incredible power of DNA. It's a true revolution in forensic science, and a powerful reminder that justice, even after decades, can still be found.